In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach an email to another email in Outlook. This is a handy trick when you want to provide context or reference a previous conversation without having to copy and paste or explain the entire contents of an email thread. So let's dive into this step-by-step process to make sure you get it right. First off, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Outlook account. Begin by opening your preferred browser and heading over to the Microsoft Outlook website, or opening your Outlook application if you're using it on your desktop or device. Look out for the Sign In button, which should be visible on the main screen. Once you've located that, go ahead and click on Sign In. This will lead you to a login screen where you'll need to input your account details. These typically include your email address and password. After you've entered the correct information, click on Next and you should find yourself logged into your account and looking at your inbox. Once you're inside your inbox, take a moment to locate the specific email you wish to attach to another email. This could be an email containing vital information, an important conversation, or anything you need to share in full with someone else. After finding that email, click on it to open it. You'll notice that at the top right corner of this email window, there are 3 dots, typically signifying additional options or a menu. Give those 3 dots a click. Upon clicking, a small menu will drop down, providing you with several options. Look for the option labeled Other Reply Actions. This might seem a bit hidden at first, but it's easy to find if you look through the options presented. Once you click on Other Reply Actions, you will notice a couple of new choices appear. Here, you should see Forward as Attachment. Go ahead and click on Forward as Attachment. By selecting Forward as Attachment, Outlook will automatically convert your selected email into an attachment and insert it into the body of a new email. This method keeps the original formatting intact and ensures that the recipient of your forwarded email will see the email just as you did. It's a great way to offer historical email context without omitting important details. When you see the new email window pop up with your email now attached as a file, fill out the necessary details like the recipient's email address and any message you'd like to add in the body of the email. Look over everything to ensure it's all set, and then simply click Send to forward that email along with your attached email to its new destination. And there you have it, a clear and effective way to attach an email to another, making your communication through Outlook seamless and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and hope you find this functionality as beneficial as I do.